Did you ever wonder how much data, information and traffic runs on the internet? According to Data Never Sleeps, this is what happens on the internet in an average minute. 1.5 billion people combined spent 25 million hours online. That's the equivalent of about 28.5 centuries online. There were about 6.3 million searches on Google, 241 million emails sent, 41.6 million messages were sent on WhatsApp, 4 million likes were given on Facebook, 694,000 reels were sent via DM on Instagram. People created 360,000 posts on X. $398 million worth of treasury bonds were traded. $463,000 were transferred on Venmo. $455,000 was spent on Amazon. $122,000 were spent on DoorDash. 24,000 hours of music were played on Spotify. 69,000 Taylor Swift songs were streamed on Spotify. 48,000 hours of content were watched on Twitch. 6,060 resumes were submitted on LinkedIn. 3,720 Instagram threads were downloaded. 747 guests booked stays on Airbnb. The equivalent of 43 years of streaming content was watched by 22 million people. 30 DDoS cyber attacks were launched by cybercriminals. And that's just a few of the things that normally happen in only one average minute on the internet. Just a quick note, there are 5.3 billion internet users in the world, which is about 65.4% of the entire world's population. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, you might also like one of the suggestions we've picked for you. We upload a new video every week discussing some of the most asked questions on and offline. See you next time!